Well, I don't know how much I'm going to get out of this, but I can't get this camera to get adjusted, but I'm just really going to show you how I do my chicken today. I'm using avocado oil. Sprinkle just a little bit. I eyeball a lot of things, so I would say about maybe 1 to 2 tablespoons, because this is going to be for the chicken. Okay. I chopped up half an onion and 1 teaspoon of garlic. Put that in the pan. Now the pan was already hot. Yeah. Boom. I hear it is sizzling. Yeah. And then my little flat spatula here. I'm just going to let this marinate in the pan a little bit. I don't like it to be too translucent because these onions will cook as the chicken cooks. Now I do chicken sometime, seasoning all the chicken together, let it marinate, but it's a little late in the evening. So I'm going to do something a little different. I cleaned off my chicken and I just throw it right in the pan and I season it as it's cooking. These are some huge thighs. I probably will just cook yeah, I'll cook all 6 of them. Okay. Just a little bit of water there. Okay. Yes, I have a tiny kitchen, but it's okay. I get the job done. And while the bottom of the chicken is marinating and cooking and all that goodness, this is where I come with my seasonings. I put a little bit of kosher salt, just sprinkle it on. I don't use a lot of salt, I just sprinkle it. This is a 5-pepper blend that I grind up in my coffee grinder. Now I use it for my spices. I use a little cayenne. Just sprinkle it over the top. I like a little heat to my food. And this is an herb blend. And I love this. And while the bottom of the chicken is like cooking down, and this is an herb blend, but I believe it has no salt, which is great. And I just let that just simmer down, cook down for a minute. Then I put the lid on and make it do what it do. Now, I am going to flip this chicken over because I want the bottom seasoned as well. Right now it's doing a little bit of boiling, but that's okay. At least I know the chicken's going to get cooked internally the way I want it. Like that. And I know that seasoning, all that seasoning is going right down in the pan because I'm going to season the bottom. Okay? And then I'm going to flip them back over again because I want everything seasoned. And it makes a better flavor or flavoring for your chicken. Like I said, I usually use extra virgin olive oil, but today I want to try something different. I use the avocado oil. Okay. Here's my cayenne. And this is the first time I'm using avocado oil. And like with these seasonings, you can combine all your seasonings together. put them in a bowl, combine them, and then you can sprinkle them over. I didn't do that this time. I just pretty much have them all in my little containers that I have here. See, get these little jars, and I grind the pepper up, put it right in there. And these little bits and the jiggies, I love this. This is, I found at a little store. You put your salt in for your herbs and your seasonings, whatever you want to do with it. Now, being that it's boiling, I'm flipping it back over. Yes, I am. This is how I do it when I gotta cook something quick for my family, because you know, coming home on the highway and it's busy, and you got hungry folks looking at you. You got to have something quick and ready. And what else I'm going to do? I love this product. It is a smoked paprika. I do that just to lift it up just a little bit. And smoked paprika does wonders for your chicken. And I'm just going to put that on the top, because you know when I flipped it over, all the seasoning went into the pan. So at least the top of the meat will be seasoned. I'm going to let this cook for like another 10-15 minutes. Then I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to put it in the oven for the rest of the duration to cook. And I would say look about a good another 25 to 30 minutes. So in 10 minutes, I'm going to put this in the oven. I just turned my oven on so it can get a little hot. Because, you know, it's good to let your oven get heated up for 10 minutes. So, what I'm doing right now, letting that cook a little bit more, 10 more minutes, put my lid on. Yeah. And then, when you cook it in the oven, I take the lid off. Right now, what it's doing with the lid on, it's doing internal heat for the chicken, because it will cook from the bone out, which I love. So, and then we're also going to have some garlic and onion with some sauteed spinach and mushrooms. So, when I have the product finished, I will have the recipe on the page. I'm sorry you can't see my face, because right now, like I said, I just ran home and I'm looking a little crazy right now because I had to start cooking dinner. But please click and subscribe on my channel, and I will definitely have some more information for you as I go along on this wonderful weight loss journey on the keto diet. Sorry, keto living, keto lifestyle. I don't like the word diet. I don't like it. But anyway, I'm going to get it moving. See you guys later. Click and subscribe. Please leave your comments. I'm sorry my hand is here, but thank you. Bye-bye.